โอเคน่าจะเสียงดีขึ้นละนะฮะตอนนี้โอ้เดี๋ยวเปิดแอร์นะลืมอ่าโอเคเนี่ยถ้าเกิดว่าให้ผมมองจริงๆนะผมมองหน้าบีนะตอนนี้ So I am going to be doing live trading in English from now on. So if you have anyone who like to visit my channel, be sure to send it for especially for the English native speaker. And for now, I will be live trade in English from now on. So, and we're gonna be staying for pretty much the whole 2 to 3 hours at least. See how it goes. So normally I will place like a buy order right here and just let it carry through. It's definitely gonna break that 40.75. So if we're gonna be placing an order here, with stop loss would be like way down here below the 40.66. So let's see. I'm still not giving any order out, but if you want to do a little bit of scalping, you sure can. 40.72, wait for it to drop around here, having a stop loss of like 40.67. That would be giving like a good 500 point stop loss, and the potential to grow is still, I still don't see any resistance in sight. So the sky's the limit right now. เสียงเป็นช็อตค่ะช็อตเหรอช็อตเหรอจริงปะเนี่ยเดี๋ยวแป๊บหนึ่งนะขอบคุณมากค่ะแม่หรือว่าผมจะไปเล่นใน TikTok Studio ดูแต่ TikTok Studio ก็ไม่เห็นกล้องอีกอะเดี๋ยวลองดูแล้วกันเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดเวิร์กนี่ผมจะเล่น TikTok Studio อย่างเดียวเลยนะแล้วก็เดี๋ยวผมจะไลฟ์เป็นภาษาอังกฤษแล้วนะฮะถ้าเกิดว่าอยากได้ยินภาษาไทยหรือคำแปลหรืออะไรสามารถพิมพ์ได้นะครับ So right now I'm thinking that it cannot break below 70 right now because it's just stand leaving this bottoming tail. So it's very likely that it's just gonna keep on continuing. Probably 40.80, 40.85. The sky's the limit right now. It doesn't seem like it has a potential to come down at all right now. Like I cannot think of a reason where that it went up like over 1,000 point that it gonna reversal down, leaving like 1,000 point in tails. So if it doesn't leave at 1,000 point in tails, usually means that it's just gonna keep on going and the sky's the limit right now. I know it is very likely that it's gonna come down, but it is not coming down right now. So if you're placing a short order, be sure to have a stop loss because it is very unlikely that we will see a reversal down in anytime soon. To be honest, I'm still hoping because like in my long trend trades, I still have my sell position here at like 40.50, and I was thinking of like adding some more position at like 40.80. However, when it spike up like this, if we are to be trading intraday, I think we really should just wait for it, like really waiting for it, because right now the drop might not happen anytime soon. Yeah. So if it come up like another 4,000 point, counting from this 40, let's say 40.60, that means that another 4,000 point mean at that 4,100, which means the 4,100 is not out of the question if the the potential, the momentum of this bull move just keep on going. So 4,000 point is not out of the question, trust me. สำหรับใครที่เข้ามาก่อนนะฮะเดี๋ยวผมมีอะไรเด็ดๆจะมาบอกนะ คือตอนนี้ผมมีคลาสเป็นภาคภาษาอังกฤษใครอยากเรียนรู้การเทรดที่เป็นภาคภาษาอังกฤษนะฮะทักเข้ามาส่วนตัวได้เลยนะครับเดี๋ยวผมจะให้เข้าเป็นพิเศษเลยคลาสจริงๆราคา15,000บาทเนี่ยเดี๋ยวผมจะให้เข้าในราคาพิเศษเลยพิเศษสุดเลยสำหรับคนไทยนะครับแต่เน้นย้ำนะว่าอันนี้มันเป็นภาคภาษาอังกฤษนะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยทุกอย่างจะเป็นภาษาอังกฤษหมดเลยนะครับใครที่อยากจะเข้ามาเรียนรู้ในคอร์สภาคภาษาอังกฤษสามารถทักเข้ามาผมได้นะส่วนตัวนะครับอันนี้จะเป็นกรณีพิเศษสำหรับใครที่เข้ามาก่อนเพราะว่าผมรู้สึกว่าคนที่เข้ามาก่อนและอยู่ดูผมณตอนนี้เนี่ยเป็นเป็น FC ที่ผมที่เหมือนกับว่าจะอยู่ร่วมสร้างไปกับผมนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเดี๋ยวผมมีอะไรเด็ดๆจะมาบอกสามารถทักเข้ามาส่วนตัวได้เลยฮะลิงก์อยู่ในไบโอนะครับแล้วก็สามารถทักเข้ามาส่วนตัวในDM เข้ามาได้เลยนะครับ Alrighty then ตอนนี้so right now it hit the 4080 right now. I don't think it's coming down anytime soon. So if you did get yourself a nice 4070 or 4072, that's already like 500 600 points to the positive side. So you can take a profit or take having the stop loss at break even, either or. Really up to you, up to your side of trading. Personally, I hardly think that it will go up anymore. However, it is very unpredictable whether it will go up more than this or not. So we just have to wait for it. Okay, I'm waiting right now. เสียงเสียงยังอู้อี้อยู่ป่ะครับถ้าเกิดเสียงยังอู้อี้อยู่เดี๋ยวผมว่าผมอาจจะสวิชนะ ตอนเนี้ยเดี๋ยวผมอาจจะสวิชเป็นอีกอันหนึ่งนะฮะไม่ใช่กลายเป็นว่าพอสวิชปุ๊บนี่ ได้ไหมได้ไหมโอ้งานเข้าโอเคเดี๋ยวอาจจะต้องสวิชละเพราะว่าบอกว่าไมค์มันแตกมากนะครับไม่รู้ไมค์มันแตกมากเลยหรือเปล่าถ้าเกิดว่าแตกมากๆนี่ก็คงจะต้องเปลี่ยนจริงๆละโอเคอ่ะอ่าโอเคเดี๋ยวลองสวิชไปนะฮะ tell me how it is and um, tell me how it goes and hopefully it works well เดี๋ยวผมจะลอง switch ไปเป็นตัวของTikTok Studio นะฮะโอ้เพราะว่าตอนนี้เสียงยังแตกอยู่ไหมฮะโทษที ใครเข้ามาแล้วฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์หน่อยนะฮะวันนี้เนี่ยเดี๋ยวผมจะพาแน่นอนวันนี้ยังไงวิ่งไปทางใดไม่ก็ทางหนึ่งนะฮะ1,000 จุดแน่นอนเลยเพราะว่าวอลลุ่มขนาดนี้แรงขนาดนี้เนี่ยไม่น่ารอดนะฮะคือไม่น่าที่จะไซด์เวย์200-300 จุดเนี่ยแน่นอนเลยนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเดี๋ยวเราจะปุ๊บเดี๋ยวเราจะมาเก็บออเดอร์กัน 1,000 จุดนะครับซึ่งเอาจริงนะที่บอกว่าเก็บออเดอร์ 1,000 จุดอะก็ไม่รู้เหมือนกันนะว่าจะ TP หรือ SL แต่รู้ๆคือเห็นผลแน่นอนนะครับเอาจริงนี่คีย์เลยนะสำหรับใครที่อยากที่จะเทรดนะในใครในนี้พิมพ์111มาหน่อยนะถ้าเกิดว่าใครเริ่มต้นในการเทรดอยู่บ้างฮะผมอยากรู้เหมือนกันใครแบบเพิ่งเริ่มเลยในการเทรดพิมพ์111มาหน่อยฮะโอเคผมบอกอย่างนี้ว่าในการเทรดเนี่ยมันมันเรียบง่ายมากเลยนะเรียบง่ายตรงที่ว่าเราแค่ทำหน้าที่ว่าเดาทางว่ามันจะขึ้นหรือลงถูกต้องไหมและส่วนใหญ่คนก็จะบอกว่าเฮ้ยถ้าเกิดว่าผมเดาทางถูกมากขึ้นผมจะเก็บเงินมากขึ้นไหนใครคิดอย่างนั้นบ้างพิมพ์222มาหน่อยใครคิดอย่างนั้นบ้างว่าถ้าเกิดว่าผมเดาทางถูกมากขึ้นผมก็จะได้เงินมากขึ้นอ่าใครคิดงั้นพิมพ์222มาหน่อยฮะอุ๊บอะไรเนี่ยโอเคฮะงงงงนะฮะงงไป1 ดอกโอเคไม่เป็นไรกลับมาแล้วอ่าหึเกิดอะไรขึ้น โอเคมันเริ่มทิ้งตัวแล้วนะตัวนี้คือ80คือหลักๆเลยนะฮะที่มันไม่สามารถผ่านมาได้นะ80เอ่ออะไรเอ่ยตอนนี้80คือเส้นหลักที่ไม่สามารถผ่านมาได้นะฮะเอ้าเที่ยงอืมงงเหมือนกันนะเนี่ยโอ้โอเคกราฟไม่เล่นผมตอนนี้กล้องผมเล่นผมแล้วนะฮะโทรศัพท์คืออ่าอ่องนะฮะตอนนี้งงอยู่ ทำไมโทรศัพท์มันอ๋องๆแต่ว่ายังไงก็ตามเนี่ยมันก็ยังอะไรอ่ะเรายังทำอะไรไม่ได้นะเพราะฉะนั้นเดี๋ยวเราไปดูกันนะว่าเราจะเล่นยังไงนะฮะตอนนี้ แค่ว่า4080มันไม่สามารถดีดขึ้นได้เนาะมีแค่นั้นนะฮะเดี๋ยวเราไปดูกันเลยเดี๋ยวเราไปดูกันต่อนะครับมันแค่ว่า4080เนี่ยไม่สามารถขึ้นต่อได้มีแค่นั้นนะฮะตอนนี้ยังไงฟลิปสิโอ้ติ๊กตอกสุดยอดเลยผมว่าน่าจะได้เวลานะฮะเครื่องคือรวนจัดเลยตอนนี้โอ้โหเอาเอาไงโอเคโอ้งงงงกับมันจริงๆเนี่ยตอนเนี้ยราคามันแค่ไม่ผ่าน80นะครับนั่นไม่ได้หมายความว่าในอนาคตมันจะไม่สามารถดีดขึ้นไปได้นะมันแค่ว่าตอนนี้นะตอนนี้เนี่ยมันไม่สามารถผ่าน80นะเพราะฉะนั้นเดี๋ยวเรารอดูนะว่าราคามันจะสามารถทิ้งตัว Hey Kazuki so right now all we know is that it's just coming from the low about 8,000 point up to this 4080. However, it cannot break down below break up above 4080. So I think it is likely to coming at least retesting at around 4060. However, I'm still not giving you any order yet. We're gonna wait until the 10 o'clock time, and to be honest, I think that we're gonna run through this for another hour or two because it is very confusing today after the sharp drop this morning. 5,000 point down to that 4,000, and then it came up here to 4080, which is very unexpected, personally. Very unexpected. So I'm gonna wait to see if it can break down below 4050. If it stand above 4050, 4060, it is very likely that it is gonna go up to that 4100. But if it can break below 4050, then it's gonna go all the way down again. So don't really know what to do, right? I don't really know the clear direction right now. So we're gonna wait to see if the 4050 will be breaking or not. So let's go. So now we wait. We wait for another half hour because like right now, can't see anything, can't do anything. We're just gonna be waiting. I'm hoping that this 4072 would not go up as much and it will broke down to that 4060. So who knows how high it will go, but I think it could come down to that 4. Oh, here we go. Touching that 4070 now, did not break. We're waiting for this to break. My concern right now is that this right here, this is my resistance. If it get up above 4080, then I'm not playing sell anymore. I'm definitely not going to short sell anymore if it go up above 4080. Right now it is 4070. You could buy it up. I'm not recommended it though. I think it's still gonna go up, but highly doubt it's gonna go past 4080. If it go past 4080, that's done. I'm done. I'm done with the trade today. I mean, I'm done for the selling position. Oh wow. It's really gonna go up there. Jesus. That's 1 minute chart. In 1 minute it's going up to that 4080 now. So if 4,000 is the bottom, dang, that's up. That's rough. Oh, I'm waiting for it to actually either go up or break down below this. Still doesn't break above 80. That's good. Okay. Still doesn't break above 80. So let's see if it can come down below 75 right now. Okay, it's about to break. If it can break 70, then it very likely that it's gonna come down. Oh, give me one moment. Here we go. Hmm. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. So I'm waiting for this break. If it can break below 70, then it's gonna break down to that 4060. Let's see. Let's see if it can break down to that 4060. Doesn't seem to go anywhere right now. I'm waiting. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the drop. Here's the drop right now. Let's see if it can break 4070 right now. Because it cannot break above 4080, I think that this is a place where it is likely to drop right now. But if it break above 4080, then it's just gonna keep going up and up and up. For those daredevil, you you see this is already an extended on the hourly chart. So if you want, you could sell it right over here at 40.75. However, I'm gonna wait for more confirmation before I actually enter the trade right now. However, entering sell right now wouldn't be too bad, I would say. I think it wouldn't be too bad if you're gonna sell it right here. I highly doubt that we're gonna see higher, a higher form than this. If it's higher, by all means. By all means. Okay. Never mind. I don't think it is working right now. Okay, that's fine. Oh well. All right. Look at the graph. Thing set. Okay. สวัสดีค่ะน้องแจง เดี๋ยวพี่จะไลฟ์เป็นภาษาอังกฤษแล้วนะคะ So right now I don't see any potential trade as of the moment, so we're just gonna be waiting. Right now it's biased towards buying. We are looking for, we are still doing yeah, we are definitely are gonna be on the upside all the way. It's not looking like we are gonna be on the downside at all. Especially now, right here. If it break be above 40.80, it's gonna go through the roof. That's no stopping it right now. There's nothing stopping it right now. It's just gonna go up to that 40.80 break, go to 40.90, 4100. It's just gonna keep on going. I highly doubt that we are gonna see a change in trend, especially in the next 20 minutes. We're gonna see if the price will go up or not. Yeah, it's broke 40.80 right now. So if it broke above 40.80 and it broke all the way up above 40 up to like 40.90, definitely gonna go up to that 4100. You don't want a reversal on that. However, I think this is already extended, so if you're selling right here, you'd have a really like a stop loss of about like 2 to 3,000 points. So that's not too bad if you are aiming to at least get down to that 4,000 mark, or even lower if you expecting it to break $4,000 today. But that's all just a speculation. You need to do your own diligence. I'm not going to advise you to play a short or long or anything like that. I'm just going to give you my perspective on which direction the market is likely to go, and I will be placing order, as an example as well to gauge the speculation. So let's see. Right now I'm not doing anything. Right now I'm thinking it's just gonna keep going up without any place to enter. So not gonna do anything right now. You have any order yet, Kazuki? Right now, you have any order yet? I'm still debating whether to place a reversal play at maybe 40, 80, 40, 90, but with how strong it actually reaches up right now, it is very unlikely that it can come down to that 40, 60 unless it's break down very fast in the next hour or so. Yeah, it's like today has been today mark very good right here with the buy signal right now, but I highly doubt that we're gonna see a reversal anytime soon. If you can see here, I think it can go up to at least like 4100. That's only the first zone on the DZV. So, well, we will see. Huh. Very, like very unlikely right now that the price will actually coming down. I'm still thinking that it gone up too much. It had to come down, but as of right now, I'm still not too sure if the price will calm down. So if it does come down to that for 40, 60, I will be buying it up. If it come down to 40, 60. Long-term trend though, I think it still can come down. At least down to like 40, 3900, or even like 3800, but I don't think it's any more than that. I don't think it's gonna go down any more than that. That's still a lot though. Coming down from like 4100, 4200 down to like 40, like 30, 3700, 3800. That's still a lot. Okay, here we go. Look at that. One drop, 500 points. Jesus. Oh, God. One drop, 500 points. What am I going to do? One drop. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, let's figure out what I'm waiting for right now. Here's the path that is very likely to happen. Can go up, must come down, can go up, looks like a downward, but cannot, and then breaking out again. So that's my perspective. Right here will be where I'm buying. So, ooh, look at that. That's a sharp drop. So that already occurred. That's what I want to see. This is a sharp drop. Can it break below? Ooh, wow, it break below 70. Broke below 70. Jesus, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. It definitely gonna come to that 65. Not too sure if it's gonna break below 65 though. So we'll see. If it does this, then we'll wait for it for a while. In 15 minutes, we will see the change. I mean, the retest and the change in the hour. When we see the change in the hourly candle, we will know for sure which way it will take. So already here, this is a 75, and if it can drop, right now it's not dropping. Right now it's not dropping, so this is likely the scenario now. If it's not dropping, this high cannot go above that high. So this height right here should not go above this height. Let's see. If it's above, we're not looking for a pullback now. And it's above. Oh God. This is frustrating. Come on, let's go. Let's come down. Let's come on down. If it can come down, break below this 4060, then we could see in this version here. All right, let's wait for it. In about 10 minutes, we're going to see the change in the hour. If it drop in the next 10 minutes and it drop to 60 and stay there, I might change my plan. Like seriously, I might change my plan if it drop down to that 40, 60 and stay. Because then it will leave me with a topping tail, which could signal a reversal here. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Very unlikely to come down now. 9 more minutes. See what we're waiting for right now. If this change by leaving a bottom, like topping tail, meaning that it being this, well, triple top, I guess. Triple top coming down, can't go above 80, which means leave like around 70, 75, which means that if it break down below 67, break down to the 60 and stay at around the 60, it will become a hammer or shooting star. And then we will be looking, once it breaks 60, we'll be looking to short selling it. That's my play right now. Potentially, that's my play right now. Yep, it's breaking 70 right now. Okay. Follow the suit. Okay. With this drop, I'm still skeptical right now if we're gonna go long. We will, maybe. Oh dear. Okay, so if it drop hard right now, let's say this is the second scenario. The first scenario we're gonna looking for long, but right now looks like it's gonna be the second scenario where if it drop hard like this and drop all the way down, break below 4060 down to 4050 and coming retest at 4060 again, I am willing to place a sell order if this is the case. There we go. So buy order if it cannot break, sell order if it break above break below. We wait. We will wait right now. Slow and steady, win the race. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Not gonna do anything. Not gonna touch anything. Oh man. It's about to hit that 60. Okay, if it hit 4060 and in the next 5 minutes, I might place a short sell order. I think right now it's very likely to be this yellow scenario right here because of how much it dropped. But if it stays at 4060 and cannot break 4060 and then just bounce up really fast, it might be that we are looking for a long. But I think it is right now because of drop. I think it is likely to hit this general scenario. We'll see. Here we go. Here's 4060. Gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce a bit. This bounce will determine which direction it will go. So let's see if it's gonna break up or break down. Who said who won? Here we go. That's a long. Who bet it will go up? Who bet it will go up? I'm actually betting it will go down because of the volume when it actually bounced right here. Now that it stay like this, if it hits 4070 and cannot break above 4070, I am willing to actually place a sell order. Will be risky because we'll be risking like about 1,000 points, but here we go. This is 4070. Let's see if it can break above. If it cannot, I am selling it. 4070. Right here. This is it. This is it. 4070. Okay. 20 more seconds. I'll wait 3 more minutes. And if it cannot stay above, I'm going to be selling it. Right here. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Don't rush. Don't rush. Place a sell order at 40.70 if you could. Okay, 1 more minute. Sell order here. 78. I mean 68. 40.68. Selling right here. Selling right here. Stop loss gonna be like 1,000 points. So this is quite a huge stop loss. So be prepared. 40.68. Stop loss of about 1,000 points. So let's see if it's gonna drop. I think we're gonna see a huge drop here. If it drop, especially if it drop below 40.60, we're gonna see a huge drop here. Reason is because I'm looking at this here, let me just change this to a 15-minute time frame. That's already a short signal that has been not broken yet. So if it came down to 40.55 and cannot break below it, I will consider this to be a wrong move. However, right now I am very confident that it is likely to come down. So 40.68, I'm selling. Yep, going down. I'm selling right now. 40.68. 40.68 right now. I'm selling it. I'm selling it right now. 40.68 I'm selling it right now นะครับเข้าออเดอร์แล้วครับผมเล่นไม้ S นะตรงนี้นะผมเล่นไม้ S ตรงนี้นะฮะเพราะว่ามันกำลังจะเปลี่ยนแท่งเทียร์แล้วเปลี่ยนแล้วนะฮะ so I'm selling it right now 40.60 let's see if it can come down at least to that let's see if it can come down to at least 40.50เซลล์ออเดอร์แล้วนะฮะเซลล์ออเดอร์แล้วนะผมลืมอันนี้ใส่หลอดน้อยหน่อยนะเพราะว่าผมให้ SL วัน 1,000 จุดเลยนะฮะและ reversal ด้วยนะ sell 40.68 FL 40.78 and TP at actually my first TP is gonna be 40 like 40.50 that's my first target right now because this is a reversal on an hourly chart, so I am gonna hold it for a long time, especially it has to be worth it when I have a SL of like about 1,000 points. So let's go. Oh, I really should. Uh-oh. I forgot to tell it in the group. One second. Here we go. 4070 EP. Oh wow. Wow. It's dropping fast right now. Jesus. Jesus Christ, it's dropping fast. Okay. เมื่อกี้ใครทันบ้างฮะ ใครทันบ้าง ผมให้เซลล์ไปที่4070เนี่ย Anybody with me on this one 4060 Right now it's 4060. I am going to reduce my position because it's already about 1,000-point profit right now. I'm going to reduce my position so that I still have a few left over. Oh boy. 4070, nice, yeah. Awesome. Glad you actually took some. Be sure to have a stop loss at break even right now. Stop loss at break even. Stop loss at break even right now, and let's see how far you go, because this is just a start of the new hourly candle on 40 on the 10 o'clock. So it could potentially go down to at least 40.50 right now, like potentially. So if it can go down to 40.50, be sure to lock in some profits. Okay, that's our first target at 40.51. If it can come down to 40.51, be sure to lock in some profits. Okay. And let's see. Let's see the drop right now. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. So right now our risk is 0. Right now the risk is 0. Why is this so small? Oh, here we go. Second target, TP2, I would say is pretty much trailing. I'm not gonna put a stop loss. I mean a target on this thing. It's gonna be a trailing stops. Right now, if it can come down below 50, once it broke, we're gonna do a trailing stop on this one. Let's see how far it can get. Let's see how far it can go, and let's see how far I can get with this one. So let's go. Come on. Right now, stop loss at break even. Ooh. Be careful, be careful, be careful on this one. Stop loss at break even, okay? Be careful on this one. If it bounce and it go back up above 4070, it is very likely to make a new high before it come down again. So be careful. Place a stop loss at break even. I know you already in a lot of profit before. That's why I tell you to lock in some profits. However, if it cannot come up above 4070, if it break me down 4060 again, I think we can see it break down below 4050 very easily right now. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go boom, boom. Break 4060. Let's go here. Break below 4050 right now. Come on, come on, come on. Stop loss at break even. We should not be losing on this we should not be losing money on this one. We should not be losing money on this one. So stop loss at break even. If the price don't want to give out at the break below 4050, we're done. If you want to lock in your profit, you can right now, because right now it's basically decision time. Here's my word of advice. If you are not sure which way it will go, and I said it is decision time, you have a choice. It is your decision as well to continue to hold and get all the profits, or take off some so that you have a smaller risk, or you can take off all of them and not risking anymore. KK, blowing the candles the way you want to go. Like this. There we go. just blow it down, right? Oh God, it's not. It's about to come down now. It's about to come down now that I blew on it. Let's see if it can break below 40.55. If it can break below 40.55, then it's just gonna break down all the way down. Let's see if break below 40.55. Exactly. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. Break. Okay, break now. All right, let's go. So, like I said, 40.51 is our first target. You could take this for a nice 2,000 point gain right here at 40.51, or 40. If you want to be a daredevil and selling at, taking profit at 50, that's fine as well. This is a safe one. 40.51 is a safe one. That's our first target. However, I'm going to run trail on this thing. If it can break below 40.50, that's all the way down. I really want to see all the way down, because we have a nice support again at around like 40.60. So I really want to see that happening. So let's go. So let's break it down. Let's see if it can break 40.55. Come on, come on, come on. Break below 40.55 right now. Let's see it break below 40.55. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, right now it's stay above 40.54 right here. I don't think that is a nice support, so I think it could easily break it. So I'm going to risk it all just to see if it can break all the way down. And 40.51 would be the first target. I really recommend that you do take some profit off at 40.51, because that would be our target on our first target here. If it can break down all the way down and break all the way below, then yeah, by all means, it's going to break all the way down. But for now, let's see if it can break below 40.51. Come on. Stop loss. I'm going to move my stop loss right now to just a little bit above 40.63. Right now, I'm going to move my stop loss at 40.63. So no matter what, I'm going to take my profit at least, 500 points. Okay? Let's go. Come on. Give me some, market. You already took a lot from me. So at the least you could do is give me some. Okay? Come on. Come on. Here we go. 40.51. Let's go. Here we go. 40.51. And it is right because of this short selling right here. That's my decision here. That's short selling right here. Boom, baby. Let's go. Come on, 40.51. Let's go. And here's the thing. I really think that oh no, oh no, oh no. It doesn't seem like it wants to come down now. Okay, if you want to take profit, you could take profits. Actually, I really recommend you take profits right now. Because it doesn't want to come down at all at this moment. Jesus. It's about to break 40.60. If it break 40.60, I really recommend you you take profit right now. If it break 40.60. Because at least you will have like about, 800,000 points. The fact that it broke up above, you know, from 54 up at least 700 points within 2 minutes, that's uncalled for. That's really uncalled for. So let's wait to see if it can break down below 40.60. But if it stays above 40.60, take profit right now. Take profit. I really recommend you take profit right now. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Unless, of course, it would break below 40.60 again. If it can stay below 40.60 again, then I can continue to hold. But right now, it doesn't look good. Trust me, it doesn't look good at all. Take profit now, and then we can actually try to have another trade again. Yeah, it doesn't look good so far. Yeah, so far it doesn't look too good right now. Come on, break below 40.60. Are you still holding, Kazuki? Are you still holding? I'm not 100% sure if I want to hold anymore. Let's just wait to see if it can break. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Decision time right now. Decision time right now. Whether it want to go up or come down. Ooh, that's not a decision I want to see. It wants to go up right now. Are you still holding, Kazuki? Yes, I'm still holding. I recommend you take at least half off. I recommend you at least take half off right now. It's doesn't look good. Cause like it's about to break 50, and 51 is our first target. I placed at 51 because I know that's gonna be some kind of support, but I didn't expect it to bounce this hard from 54 up to 1,000 point within 4 minutes right now. 1,000 point within 4 minutes. That's a little uncalled for. So, if I'm being honest, if you're still holding at this point, I really think that it is unwise to hold a whole full position because it doesn't do what I expect it to do. Unless it breaks down below 40.60 again, it is very unwise to hold a whole full position in. So let's see. Let's rooting for it. Right now it's at 40.60. So at 40.60, this is a decision time. If it can break down below the next 15 minutes and make this one becoming red, especially if it break down below 40.51, I will let it just trailing stop all the way down. But so far right now, doesn't seem like it can go down anymore. It just doesn't seem like it has the potential, the momentum that it was gaining when it dropping from that 40.70. So let's wait for it. If you haven't taken any profit yet, I recommend you do it right now. Because right now it's almost 50-50, whether it break up above or break down below. Right now it's almost 50-50. So I recommend that you took some off. Here we go. Break. Is it gonna break? Here we go. 59. Staying below. That's good. That's good. I'm still holding. That's good. Break below 59 now. Let's see if it can reach our first target at 51 right here. Either way, stop loss should be at break even. Here we go. So for those of you who take some off, the payoff is that you are holding a few position left. Once it reach 51, let it break down below if it come down to that price. If it come down to that price, break down below, just let it go. Let it run. Let it run now. Right now, stop loss should be at 40.67. Right now, your stop loss should be at 40.67. It should not go back up above 40.67. Here we go. 55 now. 55 now. Let's go. Let's go. Is it going to break below? Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. Last piece. 54. That's the last support right now. 54 is the last support. If you want to rooting it, sharing it with me, then by all means. However, if you want to play a smart move, you want to take some profit because that's the decision time, and you already gain like at least 1,000 points at this point. So don't be too greedy on this one. I am thinking of taking profit right now. 1,000 points. Man, look at that. You really gotta see like the the move here is unbelievable. Just break up above 60 right now. Yeah, that's not looking good. If it come down again, I'm out. If it come down again, I'm out. I'm gonna take my profit at like 1,000 points. I mean, I'm risking to see if it can break up above, but doesn't seem like it will. So right now, stop loss at 67. Right now, my stop loss is at 67. If it break up above 67, I'm done. And if it come down to 58, I'm actually done as well. I think it is likely that it's gonna come up now. So I'm gonna take my profit at around. Let's see, it can come down at 58 again. I will take my profits. Right now, I'm just hoping that it doesn't reach back up above 65, or else I'm done here. So let's see. Come on. Break below. Nope, never mind. Come on. If it cannot break below 59 or 60 this time, like this is a 1 minute candle. Here, I'm gonna switch up to that 1 minute candle. This 1 minute candle, if it cannot break below 60 again on this one, I'm done. I'm done with this trade. Gonna take 1,000 point profit, and that's it. Come on. Let's see if it can break 60. Like, it should not have this much of a struggle to break below the low. So the reason, like, so the fact that it cannot even break 50, meaning that it has a lot of demand just around that 50 area. So it is very unwise to try to break that support which has such a high demand. So let's wait for it. 61. Come on. I might have to take 500 points here. Come on. 50. Jesus. Break below. Break below it. I'm gonna be so mad if it's come up and do the sweep before it comes down again. Break below. I just needed to break below 60 again. And if it cannot, then it is a clear sign that it wants to go up. Here we go. 60 here. Come on. Okay, in another 6 more minutes, it will change the half-hour candle. Come on, stay below 60, stay below 60. Stay below 60, come on, yes, here we go. Okay, my stop loss right now at 65. My stop loss right now gonna be at 65. Okay, I'm placing my stop loss right now at 65. I'm not gonna break below. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm taking profit right here. If it cannot break below 59 here, I'm gonna take my profit. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to finish. If it's leaving bottoming tail, I am gonna be done with this trade. Come on, it's leaving a bottoming tail and just staying up above 60. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Jesus. Okay, that doesn't look good. I am done. Okay, I'm closing my trade with 600 points of profits. I'm selling at, oh, where's my thingy? Oh, here we go. I'm closing my position. I'm closing it. It doesn't look good. So I'm closing it. I have like, you can close it right now. Like take 500, 600 points of target. Yes, I'm still holding. I'm taking profit right now. At least half off. I have like a quarter left. So this quarter, I don't know if it's gonna go up or go down, and I have my stop loss at 65. If it hits 65, I'm done here. If it hits 65, I don't think it will come down now. So I'm taking profit at 500 points. So I'm already taking profit at 500 points. Okay, guys. I'm done with this trade. I'm taking profit at 500 points. I'm taking profit at 500 points. It doesn't look good. We'll play again. Today. Don't worry. ผมไอ้นี่แล้วนะ ผมโดน SL หน้าไม้แล้วนะครับ ผมโดน SL หน้าไม้แล้วนะ มันดูไม่ดีมากๆเลยนะครับ เพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยใครที่เล่นตามผมนะฮะก็ ให้มี SL ด้วยนะครับ อย่าเสียเงินในออเดอร์นี้นะ เพราะว่าเราบวกมาพันเกือบ target แล้วนะฮะเกือบ 2,000 จุดแล้วนะฮะอย่างน้อยเนี่ยก็อยากให้ TP สัก 500 ถึง 1,000 จุดนะครับไหนใครได้เงินแล้วบ้างนะฮะใครปิดออเดอร์ไปแล้วได้เงินเข้ากระเป๋าไปแล้วพิมพ์111มาหน่อยฮะใครได้เงินไปแล้วปิด profit ไปแล้วพิมพ์111หน่อยฮะso anybody who's taking order anybody who take profits just say TP for me type in TP for me นะฮะคืออย่างที่ผมบอกนะผมก็ไม่ใช่เทพเจ้าเนาะที่ผมจะรู้ทุกอย่างนะครับแต่ว่าเมื่อกี้เนี่ยที่ผมบอกว่าเอ้ยพอมันยื้อทรงมันไม่ค่อยดีคือผมอะคาดการณ์ว่าใน time frame 1 ชั่วโมงเนี้ยมันควรจะเป็นสีแดงนะครับแต่ในเมื่อมันเป็นสีแดงแล้วมันไม่สามารถผ่าน50ไปได้อย่าว่าแต่50เลยแค่54เนี่ยอยู่ดีๆอ่ะดีแมนมาจากไหนไม่รู้นะฮะดีดขึ้นอย่างเงี้ยผมบอกว่าผมขอออกก่อนดีกว่านะครับ so like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen. I just know from reading the chart that what is the likelihood that it will happen. So right now I am thinking that it is very unlikely because at 54, which I didn't think that it would be such a high demand at this 54 level. However, it just keep on cannot break. This last part cannot break. Took only 3 minutes to reach 1,000 points, which means once it actually come down again, I was thinking like, if this is a high or low, I'm done. I'm done with this trade. So once it actually get back up above that 61, 62, I was just like, I'm done. I took my profit, 500 points, 600 points, doesn't matter. All that matters is I'm not putting my money at risk anymore. The likelihood that I'm going to be seeing this breaking down, having this trail stop is very unlikely right now. So if it's unlikely, then why would I stay? That's the point. That's the point of trading. The point of trading is not to try to gain money. It's trying to protect money. And that's a key point right there. You don't want to try to gain money without concern about the risk. Risk should come first because the risk is something that you want to protect yourself from. Okay, see, so right now we are 70 right now. If you guys still haven't put in your stop loss, you have to right now. Don't hope. Like I said, I already knew from here that it is very unlikely, very unwise to actually hold a position. If you're still holding it, then you have to be prepared to, get hit with a huge stop loss that you're not profiting anymore. And that's really important here. If you play like you hoping that it will turn out to be the best all the time, you're not gonna gain money. You're not gaining money out of hope in this market. Trust me, I tried. No matter how hopeful you are, and be in reality. This is the reality. Reality saying that you didn't take profit here. Well, you're not gonna get profit there. So right now the graph is going up. Our job. As a trader, we're actually working 2 jobs. Do you know that? If you don't know that, type in, type in 2 for me. Type in 2 for me if you want to know. As a trader, you have 2 jobs. You have 2 jobs. You're not just doing trading. Like a lot of people say that, oh, you're a trader. Trader, and you thought trader is like a job. It's not one job. Trust me. If you want to know about this, type in 2 for me. I will explain I will explain this because this is a misconception that a lot of new traders come in and they didn't know. They thought they are an investor. You're not. You're not an investor. Okay? This is and even as an investor, you need to know what an investor job is. So, all right, I see some tools up here. Okay, perfect. So, here's what I mean. Traders have two jobs. One is to be the market analysis, and the second is to be an investor. So if you are mixing those two and you said you are a trader, which side are you on? If you are, let's say you're selling right here, and then you hope to get all the money like you plan, your first TP, your trailing stop at TP2, you're hoping that it will work out the way you planned, only without concerning the risk. You're not a really good investor. Okay? And as a market analysis, if your job is your job as a market analysis, saying that yeah, it could go down, you're not being very honest to yourself. You are, let's say you're an investor. Like these two people need to communicate with each other. The investor will hope for the best, but they need to concern about the risk as well. The market analysis need to inform the investor when the price is very unlikely to go their way and what they should do in case of emergency, that when to be cutting losses or when to take profit, when to just take yourself out of the market, because the market doesn't seem to be the way we expect it to be when we first get started here. I mean, when we first get started here, everything looks great, looks well, looks like everything can go our way. But when it doesn't, like right here, when it actually does break above 65 right here, you really need to be honest with your investor. You could be honest in terms of like you could hoping for more, because I can see that it still doesn't go up above that higher high. However, you gotta realize that is that risk as well. Like if you cutting loss right around here, you don't have to risk the money that will go against your position for the next 1,000 points. Of course, and inevitably, it will have this position running as well. So you could, have this position like this could happen, that you cut your losses and then hey, look, it come down. Well, that's the point. Do you want to risk some more, or do you want to take a little bit of profit and then maybe re-enter again right here if everything is aligned? The thing about trading is, if you're thinking of only profits, you're not being very truthful as a market analysis, and you're not being a very good investor. Like I said, you have two jobs. My suggestion is that you try out the demo first, and being a very good market analysis, for one, knowing and be able to advise your, like, don't get into this investing part yet. Be a good market analysis. Tell the trader, like right now, if I am a market analysis, I would say that, hey, if you haven't closed this and you're still holding, right now, things looks really good to the downside. You could hold some more unless it's broke up above 65 again. Then you might consider cutting it. See that? So I like, if you are this good at market analysis doesn't have tie to the bias whether it will go up or go down. You just look at the chart and you can tell, is it likely to go up or is it likely to go down? If you be able to be honest with yourself, then you'll be able to switch the play very easily, because when you have a position in, trust me, you'll be biased, because you yourself as an investor will hope that you will be making money based on the decision on that first position. You don't want that. So separate yourself, being a market analysis and being an investor, completely two separate job. And I suggest, สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ and I suggest that you do work on being a really good market analysis first before jumping into investor. That's why a lot of people said, oh, try demo first, try demo first. It's actually not just a demo first. It's actually trying to prove to yourself as an investor, try to prove in your investor self that you are good enough of market analysis to advise your investor to put the money in. And that's the key. That's the key to trading. So if you cannot separate yourself from being an investor or a market analysis, you need to do some homework. Really talk to yourself a lot. If I am an investor, would I invest in this market analysis, in this trader? If not, well, you gotta do your homework. You gotta go out and learn some more, maybe fine tune your techniques, maybe your self as ไม่ได้เทรดนานแล้วค่ะเดือนนี้เดือนกว่าอ๋อเหรอคะเดี๋ยวช่องนี้เดี๋ยวพี่จะเริ่มพูดภาษาอังกฤษมากขึ้นนะครับเพราะว่ามีคนเข้ามาเป็นภาษาอังกฤษแล้วก็พี่มีคลาสเป็นภาษาอังกฤษด้วยถ้าอยากเข้ามานะเดี๋ยวทักมาหลังไมค์ก็ได้นะคะขอบคุณที่เข้ามาค่ะ so as I was saying that if you think that you yourself did not trust yourself as a market analysis, then you have to do something. And here's the thing, as an investor, sometimes when your mind said, hey, you gotta cut loss right here, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, and yourself not doing it, you're not being a very good investor either. So first of all, try to separate those two, the logic side and your investing side. And that's how I would begin trading. Okay. Oh, wow. It's really come down. It took out the 70 right here and then come down again. I actually was considering of selling at this 68, but I like after it kind of, doing this, I am reluctant to actually selling it some more, because the potential reversal is not as much as I wanted it to. So right now I'm gonna say that right now today we took profit of about 500 points before it actually get back up to our break-even points. Okay, so today TP of about 500 points. I'm gonna record this and then we're gonna do this throughout the week, the year, and it will be more evidence that if you are very good at market analysis, you can make money from this. Okay, that's how you become a trader. All right, so now I'm sitting on my hand. I'm waiting, because right now it is a channel. So far right here, it is a channel, meaning that it doesn't go above here and doesn't really go below here. So now that it is in the channel, especially this trend tunnel is basically flatlining, I'm sitting on my hand right now. I'm laid back and I'm relaxed. And we're going to be relaxing until it actually break one way or the other. Right now, we are in a very good channel right now. Very good channel right now. So we don't know if it's gonna break up or come down, but it is likely to go one way or the other. So we're gonna wait for the break. We're not trading channels, okay? So anybody who trade channels, by all means, this is your channel. Buy low, sell high. I mean, this channel is already like about almost 2,000 points. So you can get a really nice profit. However, I really don't like trading channel because whenever I had, let's say, a buy position and it broke, it is very unlikely that I am going to be just getting hit with a stop loss. I usually either double down or don't know when it will turn around, and I have a sense of feeling of missing out, and the FOMO keep coming in. So I already have enough experience, enough bad experience about trading, doing this reversal, mean reversal play. So I'm not doing that. Just my personal preference. And trust me, when you are a trader, once you have more experience as a trader, you will know what your preference is. Either you are a mean reversal trader, you're a breakout trader, or you are a follow trend trading. And trust me, personally, I'm a follow trend trader. However, it is a follow trend in a smaller time frame, and I'm looking for a reversal trend in a bigger time frame. That's just me. So if you like it, please click like, subscribe, see how everything's are, and I'll see you on every Monday to Thursday at 9, let's say 9 p.m. Thailand time. 9 p.m. Thailand time. I try to be more local about this. I'm just gonna say New York time at like 7 a.m. But I don't know how many people who actually are in New York time zone. 7 a.m. New York time zone on 9 p.m. on Thailand time. There we go. Just because I'm living locally in Thailand right now. But yeah, my trading time is always the same. I'm trading in the Nasdaq hour. So if you are trading in New York's hour. So if you are in North America, then yeah, it is very comfortable. You just wake up a little early, set yourself up, and then you'll be able to trade like what I'm doing right now. Only need to take like a couple hours. I mean, trading is not difficult. Trust me. Like a lot of people might think that trading is very difficult, this and that. I'm gonna tell you the truth here. Trading is not difficult. It took discipline to learn though, and it really need to be. It required you to separate yourself from yourself. So market is one thing, yourself is one thing, your decision is another thing. So, it's not difficult to trade. However, you need to learn to adapt to the market and need to separate yourself from the market. That's the most difficult part. So once you get over that, market is just very simple. You just either up or down. You have no hope in it. Just do analysis of this is likely that it can come down. This is likely that it can go up. And then if I place the position right here, what is the risk? The risk meaning that if it turn around, what is the likelihood that I like the stop loss is the place where if it go up above here, I don't know where else it will go. That's why I stop it. Stop loss or target. I want to make a distinction here. A lot of people want to take target profit, right? I want to train a lot of my traders to be a good market analysis, saying that this is likely to come down. Like right now, look at this break right here. If it break below 54, then it's likely to come down some more. Like it is likely to break down some more. So then we'll be looking for short sell opportunities. Now, would I short sell right here? No, I wouldn't. Why would I? Why wouldn't I? It's because that I knew that if I were to short selling right here, my risk is pretty high. So I'm gonna wait for the bounce so that the bull momentum will be exhausted, and then I might be selling at around like 59, 60 around here. I would get a good position in where it is very likely that this bear move, this bear momentum already came down, and I have a nice breathe for the bull to come in. But if the bull move cannot make it above 60, I know that the bear will come in again, and the bear already showed the momentum that it wants to come down, so I will be entering short right here at 4060, but not 4060 right here. So 4060 over here where it show me boom down, little bit of come up to 60 and then down again. This is very different. This two position right here, if I'm selling here or I'm selling right here, is very different. It's two completely different strategy. This first strategy will be called a breakout traders. High risk, high reward, not a very good win rate, but if the momentum carries, then it is likely that it will, break all the way down, which means you will have a really nice risk reward. However, my style is wait for the exhaustion in the bull momentum, and once it actually are dropping down from here, I will have a nice win rate, kind of nice RR, and I'll be comfortable with that. So I either win with the win rate or I win with the RR. RR usually going on my first target up to this already previous high, because that I know that if it come down to at least previous high, it is very likely to, previous low, it is very likely to come down to that previous low again. So I will take my at least 1 to 1.5 at my first target right now. Okay, if you like that little bit of brain teaser, just press like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the Pro Win Traders channel. Here we go. Let's come down again. So it cannot go back up above 60. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see if it can break down below this 53 right here. If it break down below 53, 52, I might take another shot here. Boom. Boom, right there. That's the break. So if it can break down below 50, it can break all the way down below that. Let's see it. Likely to come down now. Let's see if it, because this momentum right here, this is happening in 1 minute, and here we go. Break 50. Don't pull back. If we can break 50 right here, it's gonna come all the way down. Cannot break, cannot break. With this, another bull move will be coming in. Another bull move will be coming in. If it comes up and then cannot break above 60, I will be selling right here at 60. I'll wait for it. And here's the thing, if you're playing a breakout trade, you will wait for this breakout at 54 and sell it right here with a stop loss above 60, which means about 500 or 600 points. However, you would expect the momentum to be all the way down, meaning that it won't have this pullbacks right here. A momentum trader will love when the price go one way or the other without any pullbacks. Okay, look at this. Cannot break 55. Coming down now. Oof, that's breakdown hard. That's breakdown very fast. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a pullback here to that 60. If it cannot, because like if this right here is already a pullback, which very likely, then we might be missing the the move here. But I will be waiting for it to drop some more and then making it all the way back up. It honestly gonna break 50. Look at that. Wow. Very likely that it can break 50 right here. Well, let's see it. I highly doubt that it can break 50 just because it tapped down below 50 and then pull back up all the way up at least like 700 points. Unless it can break below 48, I am not convinced that it still wants to come down in this hour. And it has 5 more minutes before it's changing the hourly candle. So let's see. Well, let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go, baby. Let's see if it's gonna be looking like what I'm drawing here. Look, this is like already a zigzagging up, so slowly staying going up. So let's see. I highly doubt that it's gonna drop right away at 55 right now, but anything could happen. In the next 4 minutes, it will change the hourly candle, and that will be the changing point. Mm-hmm. 54, 55, 56, 57, down to 56. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Oh, I've been live for a couple hours now. Okay. Kazuki, are you still with me? Because I'm about to take another trade today. let's see. I'm thinking of taking another trade today at around 60. However, it will be trading right after 11, which I'm not particularly a big fan of. Yes? Okay, we're gonna wait until at least even like 11:15 before I come down. I mean, before I actually go offline. But I am having a pending selling position at around like 40-60 right there. I'm hoping that before it came down all the way down, it will slightly going up, just zigzagging up until that 40-60, and then it will have a nice leaving topping tail that it will very likely to come down. So that's what I'm waiting for in the next 10 minutes. Especially this 1 minute, it's gonna change this hourly candle. It should have a little bit of a spike first, spike going up, leaving a tail. Then we're gonna have a short position coming in and then selling it down. The bad case would be that it dropped down right away, in which case I'll be saying that bye bye, I'm done for the day, because I don't want to chase the trade, especially if it's gonna come down very hard. I like it to have a nice top, might even have like a short sell position as well, and then just having a nice exhaustion on this bull move right here. So hopefully we'll get the order or not. Oh, look at that. One. Here we go. That's the new. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna drop right away. Don't tell me you're gonna drop right away. Jesus. Okay. If it drop right away and break below 50 right away, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Meaning that we only gonna have 500 points of what we get in the first place, and then this one will be not taking a profit at all. So can't win every day, that's for sure. But at least we have a nice stat that we have win some, we lose some, but overall we are winning. Sounds good, Kazuki? Oh, by the way, I need to confirm you on the New Year New Life party on the 17th. Are you still coming with Kong Kwan? Are you still coming? Because I did reserve ticket for both of you. However, I'm waiting for you to confirm on this one. If yeah, okay, perfect. Just I'll send you the detail, and then I'll see you. Yeah, I'll send you the detail after this. Okay, very likely that we're not gonna get the order right now, because if it does come down here, especially if it break down below 50, we're done here. We're done for the day. We're done for the day. If it break down below 50. Now it's just waiting game. And if it break down below 50, we're done. I don't think we can break above 55 right now. Yeah. Like, if it does break below this low, 49, the only thing you can play is the follow sell position, and especially after 11, follow sell position will be very risky, because I don't know if the volume's still going to be coming in, especially drop this morning 5,000 point, come up this afternoon before our session here about 8,000 point, and now drop another, what is it here, 3,000 points. So not too sure if the next couple hours will have this huge of a swing of like 500 to 1,000 points again. So yeah, okay, we're done here. That's what I mean. If it come down like this, I don't know now if it gonna have this high position. Like, I was aiming for a short sell position, but if it come down like this, I don't have a nice risk reward, and I do not advise to. Oh my god, I did not advise you to actually follow sell on this at all, and I am missing out. Okay, before we get any greedy or any funny idea, let me talk with you tomorrow for sure. Actually, I can talk tonight after I'm going offline here. So it is very likely to come down now. I don't know how far it will go. However, right now it's already come down like about 1,000 points. So in about 2 minutes. I don't know if there's enough potential. If there's any pullbacks, you might want to consider selling at around 40.50. But right now, I think it will go all the way down now. So very unlikely that we're gonna see a pullback unless it's gonna go all the way down. Which if there's no pullback within the next 20 minutes or so, it's pretty much done deal for me. I'm pretty much done for the day. Yep, pretty much done for the day. Yeah, that just remind me again that yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day. Like very unlikely that we're gonna see it all the way down to 4,000. However, I don't know. Today was just a very large sideway, like very large sideway, like 8,000 point sideway. So play it with caution, okay? If you want to continue playing, I am done for the day. I'm done for the day, guys. Uh, don't think I want to play some more. Very unlikely that I'm gonna be making money on the day like this. The day that here's what I mean. A day like today is where it drop hard, up hard, and then drop hard, and then it just and then it will come to equilibrium where it doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go up, doesn't come down. It just bleh, just stay there. So that is the hardest day to trade because like with the whiplash from both sides, you really don't know where to go, and the only strategy that I knew would survive is a strategy where you doing a martingale of a huge slot size. I mean not huge slot size, sorry, with a huge gap. So martingale with a huge gap, meaning that let's say martingale of every 1,000 point. That's the one that will likely to survive, but I still don't recommend it because the money management from that style is gonna be very difficult and it's not very profitable either. Like if you do trading normally, I think you would gain more. So yeah, this is a hard one. Today is a hard day to trade. I'll be honest with you. Today is a hard day to trade. So lucky we received that 500 point, and don't think that we're gonna be missing out in this like 1,000 point or so here. Trust me, it's not worth it on a day like today. That I don't think it is very predictable. I'm be willing to take whatever money that the market gives me. So I'll wait 3 more minutes to just make sure that it doesn't come up anymore, and then I'll be done with the trades. Yeah, it's not coming up anymore. I'm done here. All right, 2 more minutes. Any questions so far? By the way, if you want to search me up, you can search me up on Google or anything. Type in Provin Trader, and you know what channel I have. You can click follow me. If you're interested in my class or anything like that, you're welcome to. And my coaching style will be analyze yourself in 5 levels, which level you are in, and how we can move you to the next step, the next level. And each level, whether it be the first starter, the learner, the survivor, the executor, or the capitalist, you will have to master each level before you can be making a very profitable become a very profitable trader. So if you don't know which level you are, come talk to me, and then I will be able to give you a quick run through of how you can move on to the next level. Okay, I mean, give you a clear sign of where you are, and then where you need to go, and then you can work yourself from there. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching to the end here, and I will see you next time. See you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. Thailand time or 7 a.m. New York time. Have a good one. Bye bye. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. เจอกันครับผมลงไลฟ์แล้วฮะขอตัวลงไลฟ์ก่อนนะครับบ๊ายบายครับ See you, Kazuki. I'll phone you up after this. Let me just do a few things.